Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm so excited to try out a product from a brand that is new to me. I have not heard of this brand before, and it's called Lucky Chick. And this is the liquid eyeshadow in the shade Rose Quartz that I got in my April 2022 Boxycharm base box, which if you have not seen that unboxing video yet, that is up here on my YouTube channel. But throughout this series, I love trying out new makeup brands, and this here retails for $22, so more of a higher price point type of brand. I saw that this comes in 3 different shades. It also comes in a gold and a silver, and it's cruelty-free, vegan. It even has some beneficial ingredients in it like cucumber extract, which I think is kind of unique. It's an anti-inflammatory type of ingredient. And it looks pretty, this packaging. It kind of has like a lipstick shape to it. Let's go ahead and check out the applicator. Oh, this applicator is so different than what I was expecting. I thought it was going to be like a doe foot, but it's a paddle applicator with no fuzziness on it. It's just like a plastic, tiny little paddle. So I'm going to start out with a little swatch, see how this is. Ooh. Opaque, pigmented, pretty pink metallic. All right, I'm excited to play around with this on my eyes. It does seem like the type of shade that I would use with other eyeshadows, but for today I'm just going to try it out alone. I think first I kind of want to apply it like lightly all over the lid, which I saw if you apply it to your finger a little bit like that, then blend it onto the eyelid. You can get more of a, maybe like a sheared out effect. Wow. Yeah, this actually applies very easily. I can already feel it drying down, so you do kind of have to work quickly if you are going to be blending it. But I am able to blend it out with an even sheared out look, which I actually really like how this looks all over the lid. Even to wear it alone. Add a little shimmer onto the eye. I'm kind of surprised by how quickly it sets and dries down, but that's not necessarily a bad thing. That looks so nice. It's shimmery, but not super sparkly. More of a metallic type of shimmer shine. And this shade looks pretty subtle, easy to wear on my eyelid. I really like that. Let's see how it looks on the other eye for fun if I just draw it on. And I'm curious how it will dry down, but kind of painting it on the eyelid. This applicator actually works perfectly fine, and it's easy to draw precisely where you want it. Like, I'm able to get a much more opaque, metallic, all over the lid look with this applicator and with this one kind of scoop into the product. I'm going to give it a little bit to set, but let me show you the difference so you can blend it out, shear it out, or get that full built up opaque color, which I'm trying not to open my eye and blink to let it dry down. And in this case, I am kind of glad that it dries down quickly. Let's see. Oh my gosh, yeah, it's already dry. So opening my eye. This is actually very easy to work with, a very easy to wear shade. I'm so excited to use this in some eyeshadow looks. I feel like this would be a great shade to paint it onto the center of the eyelid for a kind of halo effect, or towards the inner corner of the lid because I really like to brighten that area up when I do eyeshadow looks. And I guess it is creasing a little bit now that I am looking, and it is dry. I mean, it's not coming off, but feel like it's a little crumbly. So it's not completely smooth, which is what's bothering me with this. So I guess I do kind of want to just focus it more on smaller areas or blend it out like this. I like how this all over the lid looks better than this all over the lid. And I do feel like for $22, I have tried out better, less expensive liquid eyeshadows that I would prefer, but it's not bad. Since I got it in Boxycharm, I feel like I got it for a good deal, but I wouldn't spend $22 on this personally. But if you've tried this product or any other Lucky Chick products, let me know your thoughts on them in the comments down below, because I am always so curious about a new brand, what other products you would recommend from this brand. So thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.